Hello, my dear friends, my lovely viewers and families who starting to watch this video. Welcome. And as you can hear, I'm sound and of course alive. And this is something I have to be grateful for. After Sunday, 5 days ago on 4th of Sunday, at the midday, all in a sudden, the big storm hit our town, from the town to the regions, and so many neighbors, people around us, they lost their loved ones, they lost their houses, they lost their belongings, and all these kind of things. This is really touches my heart, and of course it's sad, to see people lost everything. But what can we do? This is what nature brings, and of course my thoughts are with them. It's quite sad on that time that it's just in a blink of an eye, then you lost everything. Really, it was awfully breathtaking. But I'm grateful till now that me, my families, my beloved, they're all fine, and our houses, our little mini cottage, safe and alive as I'm talking right now. I'm thank God for it. I really am. And please watch the video till the end so that you know what happened. Nothing so damaged or anything, just some bananas that fell off, and that can be replanted, of course. The most important is life. So I'm thankful. And keep watching. Thank you. All right. Well, hey. They're already eating, but they keep following me. Yeah, that one bending over as well. But yeah, those still alive though. This. So it was really big thing happened on Sunday. People around here, we all are fine, safe, but just in the main road, people lost their houses, and even they lost their loved ones. So my thoughts are with them. And look, this is the cassavas, just because they're soaking with water a lot, so they died. This banana as well, with the fruit hanging. Well, as you can see, They are still standing. Some might be ruined, but it's alright. Hey little, why are you following me? The French a bit bending in, but it's fine. And the moss, this one is fine, still standing, but the most ruined is that in the front. We still have life in our garden. As you can see, the fruit still hanging under. Oh, look. So there's still life. So big. It fell off, so it needed to be cut, but I just need time to breathe in to us people to do it. And there is still things to see, that they are alive, and so, oh look, oh, the limes. I have 2 limes that now giving fruit, so I think I'm gonna have some harvest soon. Yeah, they're hanging on there, there, there. Look. Oh, they're hanging on the ground as well. Oh, look. Yay! And still blossoming there, if you can see. Oh, look at that. Bananas, they're fine to be harvested, but not like 100%. So I'm gonna cut them. Look. Well, some, the tallest one's still hanging. And now I'm standing in the front, so if you can look to the backyard. Behind there is a mountain with a jungle. In my beautiful dahlias, they are ruined, but it's alright. They can be replanted. But this big orange still standing straight and high. So there's still life in it. Right. I don't know when it can be fruit, but for now it's still standing higher. One papaya knocked down with all the fruits. Needed to be clean. The kibble knocked down. But at least one papaya still there near the barn. Anyway, there is still clear blue sky after the storm. Well, still one standing. And one here, quite short, with the long Papaya. So the storm still left me. So papaya is in there, even though the leaves are a bit weak. But it's alright. So fruit in there, and there's still big, isn't it? And then on top, so it's still clear blue sky. This is not my horse. It's the neighbors. So I'm gonna take you to the backyard. So I have to walk this muddy path with my boots. So this is from our backyard. And this is not my paddy fields. I just neighbor to them, so I can see them every day. But it's not mine. But it looks beautiful. And just you can see them every day. So the paddies stay alive and things like that. So hopefully the farmers can harvest the good harvest after the big storm. From that side. All the way. Thank you so much for everyone who watching this video, and I'm really being so grateful for what I have now. People who care, my loved ones and families that cared about me, and beloved friends who sending me direct messages to ask how am I doing. To all of you, I'm feeling loved by all of you. Thank you so much. And at the end, I'm saved and alive, and I thank God for that. Thank you so much.